What's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be installing the carbon fiber replacement top trim, if you will. So you guys can see, we'll be doing a nice special launch pre-order with a special pricing for the very first 10 that order. So as you guys can see, it's a beautiful piece. This is using OEM part number. So it's gonna be a perfect fit, no gaps, no nothing. So it's layered over with high quality carbon fiber and a nice clear coat on top using an OEM mount. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're gonna need a pry tool, the flatter the better, and you want to start off on this corner here. What you want to do, there's kind of like a chrome trim that's coming around here towards the edge. You want to get above that where the leather ends, like so, and you're gonna start popping. As you guys can see, it starts to open. Take your time, you don't have to go fast. That's on that side, and keep going around until it fully pops off, like so. So this is the default OEM one. Let's go ahead and do the comparison with the carbon fiber one. So you guys can see it's 100% OEM. We're gonna go ahead and place this here. This one's it's a little bit tricky, but you just get these spring retentions that are there, match it to the bottom of this, and then work your way around until it snaps in place. I like to do like a circular motion type of thing, and then you can just kind of start pressing like so. So there is fully installed. As you guys can see, there's zero gap, nowhere around the area or anything like that. Perfect fitment and whatnot. Here's the back end, so you guys can also see. Beautiful, perfect fitment. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching as always. Until next time, Booster Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.